Have you ever needed to update your name, birthday, or contact details on your Google account but weren't sure where to start? Well, in this quick and easy 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to edit your personal information in just a few minutes. Step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to your Google account homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. That's the small circle showing your photo or initials. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Personal Info. This section is where all your key details are stored, and it's designed to be super easy to manage. Under Basic Info, you can edit your name, birthday, and gender. Just click on any section you'd like to update, make your changes, and don't forget to hit save before you leave the page. Next, scroll down to Contact Info. Here, you can update your recovery email and phone number. This step is especially important for account security since Google uses this information to verify your identity or help recover your account if you ever get locked out. Finally, head to the Addresses section. Make sure your current address is accurate, especially if you've moved recently. Keeping this updated helps ensure your information stays consistent and secure, and that's it. You've successfully updated your personal information on your Google account. Keeping your details up to date not only helps with smooth access, but also adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide made things clearer and easier for you. Stay tuned for more quick and practical tech tutorials like this one.